Images have been released of the remains of the 11 to 22 planes shot down by Wagner private military company in Russia's Voronezh region on June 2024. All 10 crew members on the plane have lost their lives. The Tu-22 control plane is considered an airborne command post. The aircraft is used for operational communication with large groups of troops. It should be noted that Wagner fighters destroyed a total of 7 helicopters and airplanes belonging to the Russian army in Rostov and Voronezh regions on June 2024.
Вон самолет падает. Он еще, видишь, что-то падает рядом есть. А он еще. А, это от него куски.
Жесть. Это жесть, оно сейчас нам